Hi guys, if you're currently using Shopify but looking for alternatives, this video is for you. There are some excellent Shopify alternatives on the market. To help you find one, we've listed some of the best alternatives in no particular order. Watch on to learn more about these providers and find out which one will work best for your needs. So let's get started. The first one on the list is WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a top specialized e-commerce builder. With tons of built-in features, data tools, many support methods, and more, this hosted platform is best suited for large or fast-growing businesses. WooCommerce can be considered the most notable Shopify competitor. As a hosted solution, it is easy to start selling with WooCommerce and build e-commerce platforms like Shopify. Regarding SEO, WooCommerce gives an allowance to make full editing of URLs, unlike Shopify. Robots.txt hinders Google's access to some URLs. You should use it for dynamic pages like search results and the shopping cart page. Google recommends it, but Shopify doesn't give permission to edit the file. Meanwhile, WooCommerce allows modifying it from your dashboard. Accelerated load time is also another significant field in SEO. Shopify doesn't have it built in, and you'll need a third-party paid app. WooCommerce, on the other hand, enables AMP automatically on every free template and a few premium ones, and you can pick what kind of content the AMP should be enabled for. Integrated marketing features are praised as another huge pro of WooCommerce. The platform has a wide range of amazing built-in marketing toolsets accessible within just one click. The pricing of WooCommerce starts at $29 if billed annually. You may also take advantage of a 14-day free trial to see if WooCommerce meets your needs before choosing whether it's right for you. Quick note, my work is supported by affiliate commissions, so if this video is helpful, you can find links to the websites I mentioned in the video description. If you click these links, I may earn a commission. That helps a lot. Thank you. Okay, next let's talk about Wix. Wix cuts to the chase by providing everything you need in an easy-to-use interface topped by affordable plans. More than 100 nifty templates, a wide range of apps, highly customizable theme options, and sleek editor make it a go-to solution for newbies and advanced users alike. Wix provides you with two methods to set up your site. ADI is more of an automated assistant that suggests a configuration based on your answers in a questionnaire. Wix Editor, on the other hand, allows for full user control and customization, and it's mostly drag and drop, meaning that you can place any content anywhere on your website. Wix App Store features 280 plus apps, add-ons, and plugins to embed social media, live chat, payment gateways, coupons, and whatnot. You can also embed HTML codes, lightboxes, apply various button styles at very affordable rates that give Wix an edge over Shopify. A $17 per month plan comes with unlimited bandwidth and 20 gigabytes of storage and the ability to connect to a custom domain, making it a popular option with many online business owners. Wix e-commerce plan at $25 per month bundles unlimited bandwidth and 35 gigabyte storage, a free domain name, and some add-ons. Next, we have WooCommerce. WordPress comes in two flavors: hosted and self-hosted. The hosted version is like Shopify, a product that gives you a range of website building features out of the box. On the most expensive plans, this includes selling features provided by WooCommerce, a very well-featured e-commerce tool that rivals Shopify in many respects. Merchants who are serious about e-commerce usually opt for the self-hosted version of WordPress, however, an open-source version of the platform that you download for free and install on your own hosting setup. The advantage of using self-hosted WordPress over Shopify is that you have absolute control over everything. The downside of using self-hosted WordPress over Shopify is more setup time and configuration, plus a steeper learning curve. And if you're serious about getting the most out of WordPress from a page speed and technical SEO perspective, there's often quite expensive hosting involved and development work to pay for. Then we have Squarespace. If tech skills and resources are scarce and you plan to keep your product catalog fairly small, try Squarespace. Squarespace is now positioned on the market as a content management system for creating and managing blogs, portfolio sites, and online storefronts. Squarespace now hosts nearly 3 million live websites, making it the Internet's second most popular hosted option. There are now 200,000 active Squarespace stores. Unlike other open-source platforms such as WooCommerce or Magento, which generate lines of code to build a website, Squarespace's drag-and-drop interface allows businesses of all sizes to create professional Squarespace websites. You have 4 monthly pricing options as a Squarespace user: Personal, Business, Basic, and Advanced Commerce. The price ranges from $16 to $49 per month if billed annually. With the more the price rising, the more features your store will have. You may also take advantage of a 14-day free trial to see if Squarespace meets your needs before choosing whether it's right for you. So as you can see, Shopify isn't the only great app out there. There are plenty of others, even beyond what we've listed here today. Some have features similar to Shopify's, others a completely different set of features and functions. Like I said earlier, my work is supported by affiliate commissions, so if this video was helpful, you can check the links in the description. Again, that helps a lot. Thank you. The point of this video isn't to force you to use something other than Shopify, it's to consider the other options that are out there. For some companies, sticking with what's familiar might be worth it, but for others, switching to a new alternative with tools that better suit their needs and goals can help them build their business presence faster. Whichever tool you choose, we'd recommend trying the free version first, risk-free, and if you like it more, you can upgrade. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, please leave a comment and click the like button, that helps too. And goodbye for now.